it's more of just an exchange of points lang, ano?
You can feel na meron na rin yung pagod setting in. So, the mind should work overtime. Oh, and Pineda came in flying for that one.
Mapagpahinga ng konti.
True.
Pineda.
Yun ang nangyari kasi parang kay Pau naman ang concentration ng sets ni Makatuno, which is really good. Para napahinga ng konti itong si Pineda. Oh, but you don't like that. You don't want that happening. Service error.
Pineda again. Solid block by Dadang.
That was well read, but once again, it was too close to the net, Eric. Just too close. Hindi makakita ng angle si Sheila Pineda pag gano'n nakalapit sa net.
No rhythm whatsoever for both teams dito sa set number 4, Mosey, ano? As medyo nagpapalitan lang talaga sila.
There you go. That's more like it.
And Pineda again with a few words, this time for Dadang. Getting an ultra competitive itong si Sheila Pineda. That's all part of the game, though.
Yes, and you know, it's also a trick trying to put out the, diba? Trying to take your game away.
Good save. Good dig by Zapanta. Free ball for NU.
Well, a miscue on the side of the Lady Bulldogs.
Let's listen in to Judy Sarado.
Eric and Mosey, bungad agad ni Coach Francis kanina. Huwag nyo nang bibitawan to. It's an order. Nakadalawang sets na tayo, huwag nyo nang pabayaan. Paalala ni Coach, dapat bantayan ng Lady Bulldogs sa gilid dahil doon sila nagpo-focus. At hindi kaya ng Lady Falcons pag sa ibabaw. Dagdag niya din, huwag dapat bigil at paunahin muna ang kalaban na gumawa, tsaka sila mag-react ng tama. Eric?
Thank you, Judy. Well, that would be ideal. Huwag pabayaan to. Pero obviously, that's easier said than done.
But if you read how Coach Francis is yung talking to the girls, it's as if yung parang kayo yung lamang dito. Katulad kanina, yung first set, sabi niya, close ball. Diba? When in fact, parang ang Adamson talaga yung lamang na lamang.
Yeah, it was a miracle.
Yeah, so you can see clearly that both coaches trying to really work on the minds of the girls. At alam ni Coach Francis, yun nga yung kulang talaga nila. Yung kumpiyansa, yung confidence na yun.
Well, lumalayo na naman ang Adamson dito. 13-9. Pineda. Nepomuceno. Nice save by Makatuno.
J-stroke there. Oh, but this time, caught flat-footed was Zapata.
And Kai Nepomuceno is showcasing the arsenal that she has. Off speed, down the line, cut shot. She's doing it all here. Soriano. That's into the net.
That was a risk on the part of Makatuno. Tama naman yung mindset niya, no? Na kasi panay Pineda na naman napupunta yung bola. So now she wanted to give it to Soriano, but it wasn't the best first ball. So she tried her best, pero yun nga, yung connection did not work. So it has to start with a good ball. Dalawa lang kasi silang pumapalo. So pag pangit na, obviously, pag hindi na masyado maganda yung first ball, the opponent knows na ito na sa open mapupunta yan. Hindi na makaka-quick. Diba? So, ano lang kailangan yung first ball maganda. Para may option.
In the last play, mas maganda yung first ball, the setup, and the finish. Pero Adamson, surprisingly, is plagued with service errors in set number 4, ano?
Yan din yung feeling na you're a bit too eager to finish this game or to win this set.
Safe serve from Dadang. Pero misreception on the part of Cortel. And ito, NU within 1, 13-14.
Poor reception once again. Listana really having trouble in this game.
That's 2 straight errors para sa Adamson. Started from the service error ni Pineda. So that's 3 straight points para sa NU. Easy points at that.
Oh, but Pao Soriano using the blockers, which is the right thing to do at this point.
Pao Soriano saving the day, at least in that instance. 1-point lead for Adamson. Ordaz.
Oh, no one there. More defense on the side of the Lady Falcons.
The usual routine as General checks in at the midway point of the set. 15-all, replacing Kai Nepomuceno.
Again. But yan ang kailangan ni Pau. Kailangan mag-adjust din siya sa mga hits niya. Hindi pwedeng panay quick. So, she has to go for differential hits.
Good floor coverage by NU. It leads to a point on the attack. And NU takes the lead here. 16-15, set number 4.